Indian villages. See, there are different types of habitations in India, right from Vedic times. In Vedas, three types of habitations were mentioned: Pur, Gram, and Van. Please write. Pur means towns, or Pur refers to towns. Gram refers to villages. Van refers to jungles or forests. In Kautilya's Arthashastra, this Pur was referred to a place where elites live. Gram is a place where commoners live, and Van is a place where tribals live. See, from 7th century to 12th century AD, particularly you can see different type of settlements like one caste in one village type of settlements, one caste in many villages, many castes in one village, and many castes in many villages. But after the advent of Mughals or Islam rulers and Christianity, along with this one, we can say that villages became multi-ethnic and multi-caste. See, these villages or types of settlements can be classified based on geography. There can be villages in plain areas, villages in coastal areas, villages in forests, villages in deserts, villages in hilly and mountainous regions, etc. You can write villages in plateaus also. Based on availability of resources, you can classify permanent villages, temporary villages, seasonal. So permanent ones are those where availability of resources is round the year. Here they live for some time and abandon the place. Here seasonal. In particular season they will stay, other season they will stay other. Like say for example in Leh and Ladakh. Winter they stay somewhere, summers they stay somewhere else. So that is seasonal type. Based on occupation. See, based on occupation, you can classify these villages into, please write, nuclear or clustered or agglomerated. Nucleated you write. Linear settlements and scattered. See here, nuclear, this is where fertile lands are there and their occupation is agriculture. They live in coastal areas and their main activity is fishing. Scattered type of settlements live on hilly and mountainous region and their main occupation is cultivation of plantation crops. Now if you see this nucleated or clustered settlements, the roads are irregularly laid, narrow, and houses are constructed close to each other. There is no boundary wall nor verandas or porticos because they value land so high that they don't want to waste their land. So that is why houses are constructed without compound wall. Their doors and windows are small. Ventilation is less because they are storing food grains inside the house. Free flow of air will dampen the grains, and that is why doors and windows are less. Ventilation is less. Houses are also small because they don't want to waste the land. You get my point? So this is the situation here. But in linear settlements, you can see roads are well laid, broad and wide. The distance between houses also is more, and they have compound walls, huge verandas, porticos, ventilation is more. Compound walls they are constructing because they are drying the fish inside the compound so that it prevents stealing from others and even animals also. And because they are drying their fish and foul smell emits from the fishes, ventilation will prevent stagnation of this foul air. In hilly and mountainous region, they construct houses scattered. They are far apart. Roads here are irregularly laid. They construct houses in such a way that they get aerial view of their crops. You get my point? So those are scattered settlements.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijeta IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijeta IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.